everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're preparing for CUET PG 2026, you are in the right place. Filling out this application form can take some time, so make sure you've got everything ready. We have listed all the necessary documents and important pointers on screen. Pause, grab those, and come back. The application link is in the description box below, so let's fill out the form together. Once you click on the application form, this is what you're going to see on the screen. Since I'm going to register for the very first time, I'm going to click on new registration. And in case you've registered already but couldn't fill in the form or complete the form due to any reason, you can click on login. So please click on new registration. Okay. You can read through all the instructions that have been given, and once satisfied, click on this checkbox and click here to proceed. So the entire thing is divided into three parts. First, you will have to register, then you will have to fill in the application form, and then you will have to make the payment. So we'll start with the first part, which is registration. So you have to fill in your name, your father's name, mother's name, your date of birth, your gender, and again you will have to fill in all the same details, just in the way of confirming it. Once that is done, you will have to fill in your address. So fill in your premises, locality, the country, select your state, select your district, and provide your PIN code. Once that is done, you will have to enter your email ID, then your mobile number. And then you will also have to provide your permanent address. The address that we filled in then was the present address. If your permanent address is same as present one, just check on this box. If it is different, fill in the details likewise. After that is done, you will have to choose a password. These are the few things that you have to keep in mind. Please make sure to include it all. And then choose your security question and security answer, and then the captcha. After that is done, click on close. Now they want you to verify all the details that you filled in. And once you're satisfied with each category, you will have to select that here in the checkboxes, click on I agree, and then submit and send OTP to verify your mobile number. So please keep your mobile phone handy. The number that you're providing in here, that should be handy. After that, click on submit registration form. So we are done with the first part, which is registration form. Okay, before you move ahead, I would advise you to verify your mobile number and email ID. Mobile number is already done. Click on verify email ID on the left hand side and verify that as well, because either ways you will have to complete that, because payment से पहले आपको verify करना ही पड़ेगा. So why not do it now? Okay. So I'll just click on submit and get OTP. Okay. So my email ID and mobile number has been verified. Now I'll move on to the application form. Okay. So यहाँ पे आप button देख सकते हो, complete application form. I'm going to click on that and start with the process. As you can see on the left hand side, we have roughly 11 categories to fill in. Okay. So that's the reason I told you that it's going to take time. So be a little patient. जब भी आप form भर रहे हो, just make sure you have at least 20 minutes in hand, 15 to 20 minutes in hand. Okay. And also you have all your class 10, 12 documents ready. Class 10, 12 and college application, college details ready. Okay, so my contact details have been filled in. I'm going to personal details on the left hand side. Okay, few details have been filled in, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो. जो नहीं भरा हुआ है, please just choose that. So are you a single girl child in your family without a brother or sister? Just choose yes or no likewise. Okay, then you will have to choose your nationality, your state of domicile, which means your state basically, then your category, then you will have to confirm your category. Then are you diabetic? Do you want to claim for NCC? Choose yes or no, whatever is relevant. Are you a ward of defense? Are you a Kashmiri migrant? Answer what is relevant for you, please. Then choose your family income. Then do you fall below BPL? Are you a ward of university employee? Do you want to claim for sports quota or not? Okay. Once all of that has been filled in, please enter the capture. And then click on save and next. Save and next is important so that अगर आप बीच में form छोड़ोगे तो आपको सोचना ना पड़े. The next part is, are you a person with PWD? For me, it's no. You choose what is relevant. Then again, capture. For each section that you see, each step on the left hand side, सब में हमें capture fill in करना पड़ेगा to move ahead. Okay. Okay, once that is done, I have to choose my identity details. So here you can choose either Aadhaar card, DigiLocker, Indian passport, passport number. Choose whatever is relevant, okay? I'm choosing Aadhaar card for myself, okay? And then I'll have to agree to share my details and then enter my Aadhaar number. So जैसे मैं Aadhaar number डालूंगी, I'll be getting an OTP to verify. Enter the captcha again. So you will be getting an OTP. Please आप को यहाँ पे एंटर कर दीजिएगा. Okay, once that is done, they will show you your Aadhaar details and then you will have to click on next after you verify. Okay, then you have to choose whether you have APAR ID or not and click on submit. Now, what's an APAR ID? It's a digital way of preserving your educational documents, details with the government. So अगर आपके पास है, so click on yes, नहीं है तो no. Once that is done, then you will have to select the examination cities and the papers that you want to appear for. You will have to select two options. Second choice आपको city का देना ही पड़ेगा. So make sure you choose that. Then you have to choose your father's education, his qualification, mother's occupation and her qualification. Then you will have to choose paper 1. For me, it's economics. अगर आप एक और पेपर देना चाहते हो, you can choose that. अगर नहीं, तो you will have to choose not required for them. Make sure that you choose the option. Okay? And once that is done, okay, then you will have to check your qualification details. And that's the reason I've asked you to keep your class 10, 12, and college documents ready. So you will have to choose for 10, whether you passed or not, in which year you passed, your qualifying exam, the board that you passed in, the mode, the result mode basically, total marks, your roll number, institute name and address, and its pin code. Similarly, class 12 की भी details आपको fill करने हैं, आपने पास किया है कि नहीं, the year of your passing, qualifying exam, the board, the result mode, total mark, your roll number, name of the institute and its address, pin code. Now towards your graduate details, whether you've passed or appearing, which was what qualifying exam, BA, BCom, BSc, BTech, या others, just choose what is relevant. Board, result mode, your marks, your roll number, again, the college name and address. And once all of that is filled in, fill in your captcha. Once that is done, you have to choose whether you are a twin and both are appearing for CUET or not. Then you will have to choose the live camera option. So, yeah. Once that is done, now you will have to upload your documents. Choose, click on upload. After your photo has been uploaded, please make sure to upload your signature as well. Once all of that is done, enter the captcha. And by this, you will be almost done with the application form. Verify all the details that you have filled in, your photo, signature, everything. Once you're satisfied with it, you will have to check all the categories. Click on IO3, final submission of application. Choose yes. And once that is done, you will be taken to the application payment form, section. So here I can click on pay examination fee of 1400. You can choose the online mode, proceed to payment, and you can make the payment. And with this, we are done. That's it. We have made it through the application form. If you're looking for more help with your preparation, we have got a special crash course running. Please check out the link in the description box below to register or simply get in touch with us. Good luck with your preparation. We'll see you in the classes soon. Thank you so much.